you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any of my future videos because I'm uploading back to back at the moment. Today we are back with a Glossybox unboxing. So this, what month are we in now? November. November, Lucy. This is going to be November's Glossybox unboxing. I do have a discount code and I also have a link that you can use down below if you do use it. Thank you so much. It really helps me. This obviously was very kindly gifted to me from Glossybox. Thank you so much. But yeah, let's get straight into it. So for the month of November, obviously we have the little leaflet as always inside, and it says on the little booklet that this month it's all about embracing elegance and timeless beauty, and this is their Beauty Desires Glossybox, which is right up my street. So I have already opened this and had a little nosy inside. So this is just what it looks like. As you can probably tell, there was some samples of some Thornton sweets in it, and me and Blake ate them as soon as I opened them up. So there was a salted caramel one, which is one that I tried, and it was so nice. And there was also the hazelnut delight one, which Blake said that he liked too. And then you get a £1 off voucher as well. So I will definitely be repurchasing them, that's for sure. We also have a little bubbly gum. This is just an extras one. This is one that was in a previous Glossybox as well. I had to fight Blake not to eat this, so I'm buzzing. I'm gonna eat that soon. Okay, so let's get into what's inside the actual box. So this is just what it looks like. First up, we have a elf palette. I absolutely love these little mini elf palettes. So this retails for £4. This is the bite-size eyeshadow palette in Berry Bad. So it looks like everyone gets the exact same colour. Obviously it's full size, it's just what their normal like little bite-size ones look like. And in this one we get 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. So that is in this month's box. Next up we have this one, which is a deluxe mini. This is from the brand Commodity, and this is paper. It's a molecule skin scent which combines woody ISOE super with touches of sweet amber for a lightweight and effortless glow that comes alive on skin. This is an intimate skin scent that embodies the concept of less is more, and this retails for £13. So we have like a little fragrance. Okie doke. Next up we have, which is full size. This is from the brand E-Cooking, I think it is. That's just what it looks like. This is a cleansing gel. I'm always up for trying a new cleansing gel. So this is just what it looks like. So it says that it's moisturising, nourishing, and it says you'll wonder why this cleansing gel wasn't already a part of your skincare routine. Deeply refreshes your skin, removes unwanted impurities, and it's perfect for the skin, neck and décolletage. No, skin, face, neck and décolletage. I do this every single time I do a Glossybox or Looking Fantastic unboxing. I can't pronounce things to save my life, but this retails for £14.30 and it's a really good size, 125 millilitres. So yeah, that is just what that bad boy looks like. So that retails for £14.30p, which is a bit random, but hey ho. Next up we have a sponge. This is obviously full size. This retails for £8.50 and it's from the brand Carina. So this is their beauty blender sponge. It says, because glossies always need a beauty blender, we all use them most days after all. In a gorgeous Glossybox pink shade, this beauty blender is perfect for applying your foundation, concealer, liquid blush, bronzer and highlighter. Getting into them hard to reach areas, it'll blend your makeup to perfection. So in a nutshell, it's a beauty blender. And it retails for £8.50 normally. And then last but not least, we have another full size one, which to be fair, we've only had one that isn't full size, and that was the fragrance. So that's really good. So this is a full size one. This one retails for £12.85. This is hand scrub. Ooh, okay. I don't know why, but I thought it was going to be hand cream. So it's a moisturising hand scrub with elderflower and raspberry, humankind, I think. Yeah, human and kind, is that how you pronounce it? Yeah, human and kind. So it says, for super soft hands, we have the answer. Because the scrub gently cleanses your skin to leave your hands feeling better than ever. This might be actually really good for Blake when he gets in from work to really give his hands a good scrub-a-dub-dub. So yeah, that is the last product in this Glossybox. Really short and simple video. If you do use my discount code, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Like I said, this was very kindly gifted to me from Glossybox for me to make a video on, so again, thank you so much. And I'll hopefully will see you for, I think I'm going to be uploading another video today. If not, then I will see you tomorrow for a brand new video. Love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow or tonight, whichever one it is. Bye.